Video ni long press hiyo kitu ya katikati sawa. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mswahili. I make custom rugs. On today's video, we are going to learn how to cover rugs to make them go from this flat to this using this machine. Okay, so if you're having a hard time in moving your machine, all you have to do is use a pair of scissors, then glide it all the way to the end. Okay guys, yeah, so you do that fast. Doing this makes it easier for your machine. It's like you're creating a pathway for your machine. Okay, so always remember to do things like that, please. Tools like this, scissors, and this. The carving is the whole process of converting a flat rug like this to make it look 3D like this. And now for your machine first, you always need to oil it first. Okay, oiling your machines always give them a longer time lifespan. Okay, so first things first, I'll change my blades because this one I've been using it in other work, so I'm changing it to this. This is my sharpest blade. Always use this machine. This is the strongest machine. Okay, it's normally it's recommended because it comes with this, which means here I can change gear from slowest till fast. Take your scissors, then you find a line like this where you're trying to do a carving. Okay, you go till the root of the rug. You go till the root of the rug using one end of your scissors. Try to form a small like line or path. This is so that when you go in with your machine, okay, this is how you oil it. It's the way you hold the machine is you need to hold it at a 60-degree angle, so which means you're not holding it this flat or this flat. You're holding it, if this is 90, if up to here it's 90, you need to hold it at 60. So not this, like that. Okay, then you go in. So if I want to cut the color over on this part, on the white part, I'll have to rotate my machine like this. And if I want to do it on black, I have to do it on this part. In a straight place like this, where the line is not so straight, first you come in with your scissors. Forgive mine, they've been used well. Then you try to form a line first. What I'm doing is I'm creating a line that will be easier for the machine to go in and cut the extra. This means is I went in with my machine this way. I stood at a 60-degree angle like this in between the colors, and when you see a machine being held like this, it means the color that's being cut is the color that's underneath the blade. Okay, let me show you an example. I want to cut to do carving on the black side. I'll rotate my machine on this angle and then I'll do it. Another pro tip in all this is always having scissors around. Now, see the difference between this line from here to here and from here to here. Okay, so carving usually makes the design that you're working on look very crispy. Then thing number two, you go in with your scissors. So these scissors, you'll push them till the root, and then you try to make you create a path that the machine will use to glide on. Carving normally takes a lot of time, and as an artist, I would urge you to charge them more for if you do when you're doing carving and when you're not. This simple way. So you need to hold your machine at a 60-degree angle, not 90, like 60 like this. Then when you hold it like this, you're cutting the color beneath the blade. So when I place it like this, I'll be cutting the black. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 at the same time, 3 colors at the same time, then change. Okay, now Okay, then after that, let's go in with our machine.